Welcome to Lily Simple English. We will learn English together through easy stories, slow speaking, and fun family adventures.
I am excited.
Our plane comes soon.
This will be a nice trip.
Wow! Big airplanes!
Today is our vacation.
This airport is beautiful. I want to fly too. And today you will.
It will be fun.
Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
We are flying today. This place is so big.
Stay close to us, Ben.
We have plenty of time.
We still have time.
I like airports.
Me too.
Oh no, Teddy!
Careful, Ben.
You got it.
Attention please. Gate changes are now updated.
Gate changes?
What happened?
Oh no,
What is wrong?
our gate changed. We need to hurry.
How far is the gate? Are we late?
Come on! This way!
Stay close, Ben! I am running fast!
Gate B24, hurry! This is scary.
It's okay, Ben.
We are almost there. Wait! Please wait!
I am tired. Come on, Ben.
My legs hurt.
You are doing great.
We still need to hurry.
I don't want to miss the plane. It's okay, Ben.
We are trying our best.
Final boarding call for Flight 308.
We are almost too late. Are we missing it?
Keep moving, Ben.
Please, we are here now.
I'm sorry, sir.
Dad? The gate is closed.
We missed it?
Yes.
The airplane is leaving.
I know, sweetheart.
We missed our flight.
I wanted to go on the airplane. It's okay, Ben.
We will find another way.
I feel sad. I know, sweetheart.
Today was difficult. Maybe there is another flight.
We will figure it out. I am tired.
I found a hotel nearby.
That is good news. Can we sleep there?
I want to sleep.
We are going to the hotel now.
The hotel is close.
This place looks nice.
We can rest here tonight.
Everything feels better now.
We need one room for tonight.
Of course. Welcome.
I want my bed.
Almost there, Ben.
I am very sleepy.
We can sleep soon.
Today was a long day. Wow, this room is nice.
Finally, we can relax.
This feels much better.
This bed is so soft.
Careful, Ben.
Happy again. Whee, so fun.
How about pizza tonight?
Pizza! Yes!
That sounds perfect.
pizza is here! Thank you very much. Enjoy your meal.
It smells so good. This pizza is amazing!
It really is.
This feels much better now. Today was crazy!
Yes, very crazy.
But now we are okay.
The city looks beautiful.
Yes, it does.
Tomorrow will be better.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too.
Good night, Ben.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, buddy.
Did you sleep well?
These pancakes are yummy!
Today will be better.
Yes, it will. We are back!
Today is our day.
Everything will be okay now.
This flight is on time.
Yay! That is wonderful! Teddy is flying too!
That is cute.
He looks very happy today.
Now boarding flight 308.
We can go now!
We made it.
Finally.
We are really going!
Yes, we are.
This feels so good. We are flying now.
Yes, finally.
And we are together.
We are in the sky.
We finally made it.
I am so happy now.
The clouds look soft. They are beautiful.
This is a good day.
Take another picture!
This one is perfect.
This is a special memory. The sky is beautiful. Yes, very beautiful.
This was worth the wait.
I am sleepy again. You can sleep now.
He had a big day. Everything is okay now.
We are together. Sweet dreams, Ben.
We made a good memory.
Yes, we did.
Thank you for learning with us today. Did you enjoy the story?
Tell us your favorite part in the comments. And do not forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time.